Good day, everyone. This is Primetime Travelers here, and we are at the Lake Eva Community Park. We were in the area and we decided to check out this place. We've been hearing good things about it. Looks really nice. I can't wait to show you guys around. Let's go make some memories. We came early in the morning. I don't know if it's usually crazier than this, but it's pretty dead today, but it is early, like I said. Came to an activity in the area, and sure enough, they weren't ready. So instead of going all the way back home, we decided to go check out a park in the area, and it's really nice. This, I guess, is another area that you can rent out with picnic tables inside. Let's go see. Okay, so it does say facility use is by reservation only. To reserve the facility, please contact the community center. Okay, but inside looks like they have tons of picnic tables. This is great for an activity, especially for birthday parties. I don't know what that is. It doesn't say bathroom, but there's fountains there. And then over here they have some tennis courts. So right here they have even more tennis courts you can rent. I think it's pretty inexpensive too. I was just looking at the sign. I think it was like $2 if you live in the area for an hour per person, or $3 if you don't. So here they have the basketball court. Seating in the middle for the teams. Seating on the outside for the crowd. Pretty neat. I'm not sure what this building is. Let's see. Looks like they have it closed off, but it used to be maybe some sort of shop where you could or rent or get the equipment from, because it looks like there's stuff in there. It says Pro Shop. Yeah, there you go. And then this is the community center. This is a really nice place. Wow, I didn't know this was here in this area. And something I've noticed a few places in the city is these wings painted by an artist, Colette Miller, I think it says. Yeah, and I've seen it in a few places. I went by the library, there was one. Across the way there was another one, all in the downtown little Haines City area. You could stand in front of it and take a really nice picture. Another pretty mural by the basketball courts. It says awesome basketball on fire, it seems like, shooting through the air space, maybe even, I'm not sure, shattering something. It's really beautiful. I'm not really sure what these used to be or what they might still be used for. There's some plugs and some gates. Huh, really strange looking. Here's the area for the older kids. I think the kids just switch back and forth though, really. Here's a stadium where they do some activities, some performances and stuff during the year. Plenty of picnic areas. Some you can rent for birthday parties and stuff, I think. This is the bigger area of the playground, and it's for younger children. I think 2 to 5 is all, but they all are there playing. And then let's see. There's the restroom facilities. This is the 5 to 12 area. A sandy area over here that you could play in. So this is what the pavilions look like. There are bigger pavilions. There's one bigger on each side. That one over there has like 3 picnic tables. I think on the other side I see one that has 3 as well. And then they have these ones here that have just 1. It does say, however, the pavilions are on a first come first served basis unless reserved. To reserve a pavilion, please contact the community center at. So I do think that you can either pay for it to guarantee it, or you can come on in, and if there's nobody who's claimed it or reserved it, it's all yours. They do have like barbecue areas, which is nice. I didn't know you could do that either. So it's a very, very nice park. Very nice park. I like it. Beautiful lake here at Lake Eva. There's the beach. area. You obviously can't swim in these waters. Florida, gators, not a good mix. They have a nice boardwalk. They also have these little activity boards here for exercising. What you're supposed to do with these machinery, not machinery, but equipment. Yeah, and they do have it all around, I suppose, little different areas. You could do a whole loop to the park. So also in the Lake Eva Community Park is the Aquatic Center. Now, I was looking at the sign beforehand and it says it's $5 per person, $40 per family. I'm not sure what that means. But yeah, I'm sure we could find that all online. And they have like a lap pool in there. I was trying to catch it in the video. So this is kind of what it looks like inside. There's lap pools on the other side, a covered area there with tables and chairs. It looks like a slide and some water, a splashing area for the kids, a water bucket that fills up and pours, potentially maybe a snack area in the back there. I'm sure there's also bathrooms and changing areas. So that about wraps it up here for us at the Lake Eva Community Park. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below if you should go visit to another one in the Central Florida area that you've been to that is worth checking out. We'll do a tour of that one as well. Please click that notification bell if you would like to stay up to date on our future videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. We will see you soon.